Pervasive computing technologies are providing us with an ever-increasing array of mobile and fixed devices that directly support a variety of computing tasks. As these technologies become more and more connected, they present us with a challenge in configuring and maintaining their complex sets of capabilities. Dynamic composable computing is a technique that aims to create device ensembles in order to better share computing resources. Platform composition specifically builds on standard devices such as handhelds, laptops, and fixed infrastructure to share platform services such as display, storage, and peripherals to enable legacy applications such as photo editing, spreadsheets, and presentations. In our first example, we will see how resources from a fixed display, laptop computer, and handheld device can be combined to support photo editing. To create the composition, the user simply selects desired configuration from a drop-down menu, triggering the appropriate device service connections. In this example, photos are stored on the handheld device, display sharing extends the available workspace, and peripheral sharing provides alternate input mechanisms. The editing application runs on the central laptop. Once resources are shared, windows can be seamlessly moved between display surfaces, and files directly accessed without manually copying them between devices. Once configured, platform composition supports running virtually any application on the resulting ensemble, enabling efficient use of distributed resources without requiring any application-specific modifications. In addition to applying saved compositions, the graphical interface can be used to browse through individually available devices and services. By simply dragging a line from source to destination, the user can invoke a single service, making it available for general use. In this case, photographs from the mobile device are made available through the system as a standard network drive share. Additional services can be connected piecemeal, creating a complete platform composition out of many individual components. When done, a simple cut operation can be used to release connected resources, disconnecting the associated service from the composed platform. Another example shows how the same platform composition concept can be used to support mobile collaboration. In this case, two coworkers, each with their own tablet computer, can use the same user interface mechanism to combine their screens together to create a larger work area, allowing the spreadsheet application to be spread across both displays. Like in the previous example, the main application executes on one of the systems, and the resources from the second device are connected to extend the first device's core functionality. Once composed, the tablets operate as a single unit, again allowing an unmodified application to take advantage of the distributed device ensemble. The last example shows laptop computers, a projected display, and a handheld device operating together in a collaborative presentation setting. The necessary presentation files are stored on the handheld device, and platform composition is used to make them available to the presentation host. Additionally, the projection screen is remoted back to the handheld, thereby allowing the presenter to control the presentation host and launch their presentation without directly interfacing with another system. This configuration allows the handheld user to take advantage of the large screen projection display and affords full access to standard software capabilities such as full screen display mode. Controlling the presentation from their handheld device allows the presenter to cultivate a dynamic and energetic atmosphere, since they are not tied down to any fixed infrastructure. In this configuration, resources are shared from the handheld device to the main presentation computer. The presentation application itself is running on the main display system. Additionally, other users can access the files provided by the handheld device, supporting alternate means of viewing the documents. In this case, the same underlying user interface mechanism is used to access the files, allowing for independent viewing of the presentation from a separate laptop computer. Platform composition allows for highly dynamic presentations with a broad utilization of computing resources, unlike the more traditional use of a dedicated display cable. These three examples have shown a number of different circumstances in which diverse sets of electronic devices can be combined to support common computing tasks. Platform composition provides a means to construct the underlying device ensembles by connecting together shared platform services. By grouping these devices together, dynamic composable computing allows a more flexible use of mobile technology, directly supporting familiar workflows, all without ever having to touch a single wire.